Here's the 60-second script. Every data-driven decision you make depends on understanding how spread out your numbers are. That's variance, and getting it wrong can cost you. The Variance Interactive Calculator makes this instant. Just paste in your dataset, tell it whether you're working with a full population or a sample, and it handles all the heavy math for you. Say you're tracking weekly sales, 120, 145, 98, 167, 134. Drop those numbers in, hit calculate, and you immediately see your variance, standard deviation, and mean, all in one clean output. No formulas to memorize, no spreadsheet headaches, no second guessing whether you divided by n or n-1. Whether you're a student, analyst, or researcher, this tool saves you time and eliminates errors. The calculator is completely free. Click the link below and run your first calculation in under 30 seconds. Word count 40.